Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix green screen issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So first solution you have while facing this issue. So you have press the volume up button, volume down button. Press the volume up, volume down. Press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen. Then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restart. Then your problem will be fixed. If their first solution is not working, their second solution you have enable auto brightness. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on accessibility. So then you have click on display and text size. So you have scroll up, then you have enable from auto brightness. So then other solution you have third solution, uh, force quiet background app refresh. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on background app refresh. So you have turn off, I have already turned off. Then fourth solution you have reset all setting. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer and reset, then you have click on reset all setting, click here, and then you have enter iPhone passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting your iPhone. Then last solution you have update iOS latest version. So then you have again open the setting, click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone. So you have available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.